So this is a...
This?
Yes.
It's a H&K MP5.
Is that pod in your way?
No, it's alright.
Sure. So it says load them straight through the top, didn't he? Just push them in. They go left and right handed, aren't they?
They sit side by side.
Yeah. Throw them in. And let it rip, potato chip. Was it just me that I feel very nervous loading bullets? Just shaky hands.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah, it's unnatural, isn't it?
I don't know if it's the...
Adrenaline?
Adrenaline, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, I could get used to this.
Yeah.
Don't know if that's a good thing.
Howard, my mate, used to do this. Not with MP5, but he had a Beretta and all that sort of Glock. But then they did the gun amnesty and he had to hand them all back in. But he got paid out for it. He got paid more than he got paid for the guns. But he used to repack all of this because you can knock the charges out of the bomb, put firing caps in, and then that looks quite easy to load them than the last.
It's a lot easier than before.
Yeah, that spring, oh, you think it's fine. You get like 3 in it, it's like, hang on a minute, this is a bit fucking...
What's the capacity of this, 25?
Yeah, I think he said it's something like that. Yeah, if you do 225s, then you got two kicks of the mule, haven't you? Right, so... Ears on, I think. That shotgun caught me off guard before and it was just like, what the... Is that 25 already?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
No.
Ah. Is that a live one?
No, it's jammed.
Did it?
Cleared it.
Cleared!
That's not good.
No. Is it just the one left?
That's it.
The taste is just...
I like it.
Well, he's dead.
He's very dead.
I mean, what? You got 1, 2, 3, 4.5 out of target. You got
That's not bad, is it?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah.
20 kill shots. I like it. It jams well easy.
Yeah.
Down.
Are you going for just hitting the target or you got a specific area?
I was aiming for his head.
Oh well, you did hit his head.
Well, mostly.
I want to know who takes it out on the ceiling tiles. On a really bad day, and the ceiling's gonna get it.
That'll be spread from the shotgun, won't it?
But probably, yeah, with the kick up. Oh, he shredded that target.
He didn't even take it on with him.
Now,
I like it.
I think it was him. It's probably one of those, oh, it's just a weekly thing. I've got loads of them. I don't need to take one home.
Yeah. Right, I'll leave that last 5.
Are those last 5 going to be your do or die death shoot?
Yeah.
Jammed again? Maybe because they're used on a regular basis, they're not cleaned and that's what jams them up or something.
Jamming on the last round each time.
Is it the round that's jamming it or the last spent shell?
Shell it's no.
You did that like a professional.
I am.